Hello, welcome to my channel readable. We are in video 19 for how to wrap text in Excel. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. You can see here my Excel data is here, and you in description my sentence is so long. You can see it's so long and it's too difficult to see what is in that text or shell. So if I write something here, or if I write something here, you can see it is not showing the all text in my cell. So for that, what we will do is we will just go to that cell and go to home tab, and then you can see here wrap text. This wrap text will this extra long into multiple lines, so you can see all of it. So if I just click here, you can see here my all text is showing properly. So this is a simple trick that you can wrap it in a cell that will look all of the text which you have written in that cell. So this is the short quick video that will help you to write any text and see all of this. So I hope these tricks will help you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the video 20. If you haven't seen any video Excel for beginner from scratch from the first video, you can watch in my playlist. I have given in the description. You can watch from that, and thank you so much. Thank you.